Today's wellness word is NO, not no, but nitric oxide. Do you know that nitric oxide is one of the most important of molecules produced in the human body? So important that the Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine for 1998 was awarded to the discovery that nitric oxide is an important signaling molecule in our cardiovascular system. And how nitric oxide is connected to the health of our cardiovascular system. Nitric oxide is a very important vasodilator. What does that mean? That means it helps to dilate or widen our blood vessels so that the blood vessels are capable of supplying oxygen, nutrients to all the cells of the body in a very efficient manner. Vasodilation also results in a reduced blood pressure. Conversely, when there is less nitric oxide in our body, it leads to constriction of blood vessels, which leads to high blood pressure and also can lead to heart attacks. A deficiency in nitric oxide can lead to a lot of health issues. Increased nitric oxide levels in the body are a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, and autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus are linked to low levels of nitric oxide in the body. Do you know that life of a nitric oxide molecule is just fraction of a second, and so external supplementation does not work. Nitric oxide is produced naturally in our body from the food that we eat. Here are 5 tips to make nitric oxide available to your body. First, eat dark green leafy vegetables and beetroots which are rich in nitrates. Nitrates get modified by bacteria to nitric oxide. Second, avoid use of commercial mouthwashes as they wipe out all bacteria in the mouth. Certain oral bacteria are essential for converting nitrate to nitric oxide. Third, minimize the use of antacids. They have been found to shut down production of nitric oxide inside the body. Fourth, nitric oxide is extremely unstable and gets destroyed easily by free radicals. So, an antioxidant-rich diet helps to prevent this by immobilizing the free radicals. Antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, mangiferin, lycopenes, carotenoids are present in colorful fruits and vegetables, so include them in your diet. Fifth, daily exercise is a must. Exercise helps to build the inner lining of cells of blood vessel, and these endothelial cells also produce nitric oxide.